In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Microsoft Loop. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. Click the official Microsoft Loop result to open the site, then choose Get Started with Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account, or create one if you don't have it yet so you can save and share your work across devices. Once you're in, you'll land in Loop. You can create a new workspace or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, create a new workspace and add a page. If you already have a workspace and page set up, open those so we can build the survey there. Give your page a clear descriptive title so teammates know exactly what it's for. Something like Team Feedback Survey or Event Preferences works great and makes the page easier to find later. Now let's add the survey structure. Click the plus icon to reveal Loop's building blocks. You can also type /table on the page to bring up the same menu even faster. Select Table to insert a simple grid that will turn into a survey. With the table in place, it's time to shape it. We'll use the first column for the survey content and the second column to capture responses. Open the menu for the second column and change its column type to Vote. When the options appear, click Vote to apply it so people can easily cast their choices. Rename that second column to something clear like votes or responses so everyone understands how to interact with it. Clear labels reduce confusion and speed up participation. Next, click into the first column and type your survey items. If you're running a quick poll, put each option on its own row in the first column, and participants will use the vote column to select their choices. You can add a short description above the table to explain the purpose, the deadline, or whether people should pick one option or multiple. When your survey looks good, share it so others can participate. Use the share button in the top right of Loop, choose the appropriate access level for your audience, and send the link. Recipients can open the page and vote directly in the table, and you'll see results update live as responses come in. That's it. You searched for Microsoft Loop, opened the official site, got started, created or opened a workspace and page, titled it, added a table, converted a column to vote, labeled it clearly, entered your survey content, and shared it so people can respond. Save your page for reuse, and you'll have a ready-made template for your next survey.